Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve Messenger unable to load camera roll problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. Search or find out Messenger app. Click on Messenger app and click on permissions. Turn on camera permission and turn on photos and videos permission and go back home screen. Now open on Messenger app. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.